Why now? I don't... God bless, come on. How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and I did not want to start out this weekend's vlog the way I have started out now. K1500 is down. She is not feeling well whatsoever at the moment. Not because of the catalytic converter. That's still, I'm not worried about that. It's a stupid catalytic converter just for emissions. We'll go over here. Oh, that's actually my AC condenser, but this is all antifreeze. All that's antifreeze. The truck is leaking antifreeze now pretty significantly. It's coming from the water pump area, so we're pretty sure it's a water pump. I'm 95% sure it's original to the truck. So, unfortunately, the truck is down. Hopefully Monday, I'll put it in the shop after work. Put it in the shop, and then we'll be good to go. But this just sucks. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it really sucks. Part of the game when you have an older vehicle with 217,000 miles on it, because if it's original to the truck, it's got 217,000. If it's not original and the original owner replaced it, it has at least 110,000 on the new water pump. So who knows? But dang, this just really sucks. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little intro. Hopefully YouTube doesn't demonetize a video or anything for just target shooting stuff. If they don't, I'm gonna add more stuff in there like that when I do go shooting and stuff, because I think it'll be really good to add to the channel. And if YouTube really, you know, gets their, you know, act together and doesn't do, and realizes, yeah, you guys get what I mean. What you're all thinking about making a sub channel on guns and stuff. I mean, I wouldn't upload like every week or whatever, like Trucks and Water, but you know, if I go out to the range or something, what do y'all think about that? Leave your comments down below what you think of the intro and stuff like that, guys. I really want to know your all opinions. So right now, as you saw from this morning, I'm whipping the Camry right now, my mom's 2017 Camry, and in all honesty, I really like this car. It's a very nice riding car. It's a very, you know, comfortable car to drive and stuff like that. It's not my truck, and I would never get one probably. Yeah, 95% sure never get one. But you know, it's a nice vehicle, and it's pretty sporty for being a foursome. It can get something that moves pretty good. But so yeah, the truck's down for right now. I just hope that I think we're pretty sure it's just a water pump. But anyways, so I don't know what else this weekend's going to entail. I think I'm going to go shooting it again tomorrow with my buddy, so I'll maybe film some more of that. But right now I'm gonna take the car to get washed, because I'm on a gravel road and I don't like to not wash after I get done using it with my parents and fill it back up with gas and stuff like that. Just be kind and courteous to your parents, guys. It goes a long way. But anyways, so yeah, we'll see what the rest of this entails. And I think there's a razor behind me, street legal razor. That's pretty cool. My truck's been in the shop now for twice this week. First time was a coolant leak that was leaking pretty bad. I thought it was around the water pump. Come to find out, it was just the heater hose connector heating to my engine block that was pulling up and leaking down in front of the case. Looked like, yeah. So I feel really stupid about that, and it's also in the shop now to get the leveling kit installed. I should have it back. Well, by the time this video comes out, it's going to be back anyways. But I'm going to have it back tomorrow or Thursday at 3, hopefully. I'll pick it up after work. I'll drive around for a little bit, but I'll do a full in-depth driving of the leveling kit on the K1500. That'll be coming out next week. Another update, Harper Tire has got my wheels and tires in. Not going to reveal what they are yet, so you guys stay tuned till, you know, after next week. I'm getting them that weekend.
Everything I used to dream being real right.
Okay guys, I just got the truck back from the suspension shop. Just went for a little drive up to the dam. As you can see, I did the walk around. She is officially leveled. Oh my god, guys, this is actually freaking happening. When this video goes live, literally a week from when this video goes live, she'll be sitting on some 20x12s. No, I'm not gonna say what wheels I got yet. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Oh my god, this truck's gonna look so daggum good. I'm gonna do a full in-depth review on the leveling kit, how it feels and drives. But let me just tell you right now, it drives wonderfully. I have no complaints on it whatsoever at the current time. It does have the steering stabilizer on it too, so that probably also contributes to a lot of things. But oh my gosh, this truck rides so good now. I mean, this has just been like, you know, I've owned the truck. It'll be 3 years, July, that I've owned this truck, and like it took me almost 3 years to get to where I'm kind of getting really into it, but yeah, like this truck is gonna look freaking, oh my god, I just cannot wait. I cannot wait to show you all the wheels and tires. I'm just way too excited right now. So anyways, I'm gonna start heading back home. I mean, the truck runs normal, drives normally, like you cannot tell it's been leveled unless you, now when you're in the outside looking at it, you can tell it's been lifted in the front end. That's not a joke, but other than that, it looks pretty much like it. To me, this is how the truck should have came from the factory, the way it's sitting right now, because yeah, oh my god, I cannot wait for, I want the wheels and tires. I really, honestly, I just want the wheels and tires on this truck, because it's gonna look so good. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I have not driven it on the interstate yet. I'm doing that tomorrow. Well, when this video's live, it'll be like when I head to work on Friday. So I'm interested to see how this goes. But other than that, like cruising, if I lock it in, let's see here. Yeah, so locking in about 55, same RPMs as it was without. Now, I know that has a lot to do with wheels and tire size too, so I'm not getting too excited yet, because it'll see when I get the wheels and tires on the new wheels and tires on the truck. But I can tell you right now, the steering does feel a whole lot better. It wasn't drifting or anything weird. It wasn't doing any weird stuff with the truck, but that steering stabilizer has made it a lot more tight and more precise than it was, if that makes sense, just from the initial drive I've been doing. That's gonna do it for this week's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, to enter in the giveaway, all you gotta do is subscribe and comment down below. Make sure it's unique comments, so my random comment name generator will pick it up. Thank you all so much. Sorry for like the weird vlogs lately. There's not been much going on. I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, getting ready for this season's truck meets and stuff like that. Be sure this week coming up, I'm going to have some great videos coming out. I know one of them is going to be about my leveling kit on my truck. A lot of you have been asking me about that already. So make sure you tune into that. And then this upcoming weekend, I get my wheels and tires. So that next Monday in April, make sure you check that video out, because I'm going to reveal the wheels and tires on the truck, and I cannot wait, guys. I just want to say also thank you for all your support lately. I mean, it's unreal the support I get on this channel now. And even before, I mean, of course before, but I mean, you guys have been crazy awesome now. And I want to thank each and every single one of you so much. So thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.